Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to buy AERO Finances on Coinbase. So what we will do, we will go to coinbase.com and log into our account. After that, you will arrive at this homepage. So for the first step, we need to select the buy and sell option right on top, click on it, and this purchasing overview will be opened. So the one-time purchase is already selected, but if you would like to use different purchasing frequencies, you can select them over here. You have options like a daily option, a weekly, twice a month, or a monthly option. Select whatever suits for you, and after that you can fill in the amount of fiat you would like to use to buy these coins. I'm using €2. And after that, I will select the Bitcoin option because we need to change the asset we want to buy. We would like to buy the AERO coin. Just tick it in the search bar, and as you can see, Aerodrome Finance will be appearing in this list. Select it. After that, you can simply select the wallet you would like to use to pay with. I'm using my Euro wallet because I'm living in Europe. But if you live in another country or region and using other currencies, then you can click on this option and select the right wallet to use for the payment. If you don't have any options over here, you can add a payment method by clicking on the button below. And after that, it will appear in this list and you can select it. For now, I will leave it on this and click on Review Order. Now they are going to show us some more information about the purchase we are going to make. I'm buying 1.25 coins and I'm spending €1.01 on this purchase. The Coinbase fee will be 99 cents and the total amount we are spending is €2. You also got the option to select the weekly investment option, and the same amount of coins and fiat will be used for a weekly purchase repeatedly. I will leave it on no, and you can cancel it by the way at any time. But if you would like to buy these coins for now, just click on buy now and they will be added directly to your wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorials. Bye bye!